Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Black Shark 5. Why not 5 Pro? Because I've already done a review video about it several months ago. Or maybe because I don't have enough subscribers. Anyway, this is the global version. The video I did before is the Chinese version. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The Black Shark, you have some information here. What I got is the 80 gigs plus 128 gigs of storage. Explorer Gray 5. Ooh. Under the ordinary reality, an extraordinary journey shall begin. Oh, this is much better than the Chinese slogan. You know, the Chinese slogan, I always feel embarrassed to read it out. Open this insert, we got a pen, also some paperwork, and a phone case. Oh, the Black Shark, some stickers, and a manual that you were never gonna read. The case, woo! Wow! So premium, feels so smooth, huh? Yeah. Let's put it aside and check out what else we got. And then we have 120 watts faster charger. Can you believe that? Crazy 120 watts charger. Wow, thumbs up for that. Also, of course, we have the Type-C charging cable. All right, that's all the stuff you can get from the box. Now, let's get down to the phone. Oh, not yet. Okay. Super cool, isn't it? Ooh, wow, that is the magnetic fan. I can feel it. Let's just open it. Stickers, wipes, Type-C to Type-C cable. All right, that's for the magnetic fan. All right, moving to the phone. Let's check out the design first. So this is the covering module. For the specs, everything really is just on the screen, all right? On top, we have the speaker and the noise cancelling mic. Moving to the right side, ooh, that is the important part. So that's the shorter key and that's the trigger button. I'm not sure which one you like most, like this one on the Red Magic or the one on the Black Shark. The Red Magic, you know, no physical keys, just the virtual keys, just touch and you will trigger the actions. Moving to the bottom, we have another speaker, Type-C, and SIM card slot. So dual SIM card, dual standby, does not support SD card expansion. And here is the volume rocker. And that's basically the design. All right, moving to the specs. The Black Shark 5 is the entry-level model and as such doesn't receive the top-of-the-line specs that you find on the Pro. But for the money, it looks like it could be a very interesting middle-range option, even for non-gamers. If you are interested in the Untitled benchmark, here it is. But for the gaming phone, you may have more interest in its gaming performance. There's a short space there that lists all the games on your mobile. In the settings for each game, you can basically customize everything from performance to display, like refresh rate, color enhancement, or even touch adjustment. For the gaming phone, how can we miss the shoulder keys? Slide the trigger buttons inwards to activate them. Here you can apply different features to customize the keys. While in gaming, slide from the corner, you will enter the shortcuts block. Here you can map different actions to your shoulder keys, basically the same like the one on the Red Magic 7 series gaming phones. What's more, it also comes with Magic Press, which enables you to activate one action without accurate touching. To my surprise, it even offers motion sensing. This is something that I haven't found on other gaming phones. So for such gaming assistances, the Black Shark 5 has so much to offer. I guess those dedicated gamers would find this super useful. For newbies, definitely have to take some time to learn if you're not familiar with it. But don't worry too much about it as the phone comes with a player manual app, which they offer a very detailed tutorial. For me, my favorite feature of course is the Shark chain. You can set it as your wallpaper for morning alarm.
Let me see. Who else cannot get up?
Or even charging effects. and you can flirt with it when you're bored.
Stop it, Commander.
But yeah, let's get on to the real game stuff. I played PUBG for 1 hour straight and found it smooth under normal settings. Then I tried Genshin Impact for half an hour, a much more demanding game, and here's the FPS recording. The average FPS fluctuation is 58.6. That's not bad. Here the temperature for the phone is still manageable, considering this phone doesn't come with a built-in fan. But if you want the fan, Black Shark offers one too, just like I unboxed in the beginning. So overall, I'm pretty happy with Black Shark 5's gaming performance. It requires a bit of learning curve, but definitely offers one of the best gaming features on the market. Alright, that's the video. I think for the specific niche, the Black Shark 5 has done a great job. If you want to learn more about its pro version, you can check it out from here. And if you are interested in purchasing the Black Shark 5 series, link is in the description. I'm Sami. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.